In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on a PowerPoint slide. Enhancing or reducing the view of your slide can be crucial for focusing on specific content or getting a broader perspective of your presentation layout. This skill is especially valuable when you're fine-tuning details or presenting your slides to an audience. So let's dive right into the steps to effectively zoom in and out of your PowerPoint slides, making sure every detail in your presentation is perfect. First things first, we need to get PowerPoint up and running. To do this, locate the PowerPoint icon on your computer. It might be on your desktop in your taskbar, or you might need to find it through the Start menu or your computer's search function. Once you've found it, click to open MS PowerPoint. You'll be greeted with the opening screen, the gateway to all your creative and professional presentations. Now that you're in PowerPoint, it's time to open your desired file. You can do this directly from the opening screen, which conveniently displays your most recent documents. Look for the presentation you want to work on. If you don't see it right away, don't panic. There's a simple solution. You can click on Open Other Presentations at the bottom of the window. From there, navigate through your computer's folders until you find your file, then click to open it. This step brings you closer to fine-tuning your presentation with the perfect zoom level for every slide. With your presentation now open in front of you, let's focus on zooming in and out of your slides. If you glance at the bottom right corner of the PowerPoint window, you'll notice a small but powerful tool, the magnifying glass icon. This icon is your gateway to adjusting the view of your slides. But it's not just about clicking randomly, there's a method to it which we'll explore. To zoom in, which means to get a closer view of the content on your slide, you simply need to click on the plus sign of the zoom slider next to the magnifying glass. Every click increases the zoom percentage, making the content of your slide appear larger and more detailed. It's particularly useful when you want to focus on or edit smaller elements of your slide, like text, images, or detailed graphs. Conversely, to zoom out and see a larger portion of your slide at once, click on the quark sign of the zoom slider. This action decreases the zoom percentage, allowing you to view more of the slide at a single glance. Zooming out is helpful when you're working on the slide's layout or want to see how your content fits together as a whole. Remember, control is in your hands. You can adjust the zoom level to whatever suits your current needs by continuously clicking the CC plus or SUX signs until you're satisfied with the view. Additionally, if you need to reset the zoom level to the default view, which typically provides a good balance between detail and the overall slide, simply click on the percentage number between the plus and signs. A slider will appear and you can drag it until you reach the 100% mark or click Fit Slide to Current Window for an optimal view. Mastering the zoom function in PowerPoint is a simple yet effective way to ensure your presentations are detailed, well organized, and visually appealing. Whether you're zooming in to edit the minutiae or zooming out to get the bigger picture, this tool gives you the flexibility to create a professional and impactful presentation. That's all on how to zoom in and out on a PowerPoint slide. This technique will not only enhance your presentation making skills, but also save you valuable time during the editing process. Practice this as you work on your slides, and you'll find that adjusting back and forth between zoom levels becomes a seamless part of your workflow. Remember, a great presentation is all about the details, and with the zoom function at your fingertips, you're well on your way to creating something truly special. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.